What is up, guys? I'm IWrocker, and Ram has, kind of hit a pothole here. Well, not literally, but figuratively. As you can see in the picture here, this is indeed, no question, a Ram TRX, the actual 2021 Ram TRX that debuted a couple weeks ago on the back of a flatbed. Okay, so this isn't a huge deal. I might have hyped this up in the thumbnail, but okay. This was spotted on I-75, which is in Michigan. We don't know much other than this picture, and this was taken in August, so, relatively recent. And there's no question that it's a TRX, and we don't know what happened to it. The spy photographer just captured this, and it is a pretty funny image. And but I don't think it's going to ruin the truck. I don't think it's going to ruin anyone's hopes. Keep in mind that every automaker has to test stuff, within their boundaries, but then also out on public roads as well. I mean, there's no replacement for just on the road in different conditions. A regular car like a Civic or something, obviously, especially testing specialty vehicles that are, high horsepower and a lot of special parts. So this was the case here. I would be curious to know like what broke on it. I mean, kind of something significant because it's on a flatbed. Newer Rams are usually pretty reliable, and if we're dealing with like the drivetrain, newer SRTs like the Hellcats and stuff, they're actually pretty reliable too. I mean, a lot of the components are very strong. So this is nothing to worry about. It is kind of funny though. I had to show it and had to report it to you guys. But in more long-term relevant news, I don't think this is gonna hurt anybody here. Okay, I hope and presume that these are going to be pretty reliable, at least for a few years when they're new. But in more concrete news, the TRX versus Raptor matchup is heating up even more. I mean, it's already up here on flames, right? It's a crazy matchup. But Ford is firing back quick. I mean, they have pretty much unofficially confirmed that they're going to have a turbo V6 hybrid that's supposed to make like over 600 foot-pounds of torque and, mid 400s horsepower. So that's pretty strong. Not quite like the TRX, may I add, but it's pretty strong. But they said in limited quantities, whatever that means, for probably a hefty price tag nearing 100K, kind of like a TRX, they are going to have a supercharged V8 Raptor. And I've touched on this along with some other people have touched on this on recent videos, but it's probably going to be the supercharged motor that came out of the Shelby GT500. That would be quite exciting and would definitely be on par, if not a little more power-wise than the TRX is going to be offering. So I think Ford has to do this. This is what I said in my original video when the TRX was debuted. I said competition is great. It doesn't matter who you're a fan of. If you're a diehard Ford guy, a diehard Mopar guy, or a diehard Chevy guy. Competition breeds, excellence. It breeds other people, other companies to step up. And the Raptor, I wouldn't say it was comfortable, but it's been at the top for a while, and this makes Ford and the Raptor team really push to make it a wow truck again. Because the TRX, if they didn't touch the Raptor, the TRX right now it would stomp all over it once it comes out. So it's pretty exciting for truck guys. Like I said, I've said it before. It's an exciting time to be in the truck world and to be into trucks, especially off-roading these sport trucks. I tell you what, though, they do need to make some actual sport trucks. I know these are sporty, but they're still designed for off-road, and they're heavy and big mud tires. It'd be fun to see someone make an actual street truck like they had in the 90s, early thousands, those pickup wars where they had the SVT Lightning and the SRT-10 Ram. That would be cool. So anyway, guys, what do you guys think about this Raptor and TRX matchup? What do you think about the TRX on a flatbed? Again, not picking on them. I'm a Mopar guy myself, but thought it'd be pretty funny to show that. I'm sure a Raptor and every other truck and car has broken down in testing prototypes, so I wouldn't be too hard on them here. More of just some entertainment for you. Anyway, guys, remember the most important thing, that thumbs up button. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. They're both free, and they're both very nice. And like always, guys, I'll catch you later.
Breathe We are dreaming.